Okay, this is our Colchester Triumph long bed. It's just come in and we're selling it as a Part X bargain. So we're just running through to show you a couple of things, what it's doing and what it isn't. To be honest, it's doing everything it should do. Clutch in reverse needs a bit of adjustment, but as you can hear, the head is pretty quiet. That's at 470. We've been up to about 1200 RPM and all the gears seem to run. We've only given it a 5-minute test, so do these are some comprehensive test. As you can see, both those feed lead screws are running. So now I'm going to put it into feed. So that's feed in the X. I'll reverse that. I'll change that to feed in the Z. See it reverses. And then I'll change the threading. I'll let it push the tailstock up just to show you it's got some power. It's pushing the tailstock now. I'll also do that in feed. Okay, so all these have been through the gearbox. Almost them are all, well, they're all working as far as I can see. So there is some wear in the bed, which is why we're just selling it as a Part X bargain. It is sold as seen, it's a Triumph long bed.